What's up, guys? It's Lester the Collector. I'm here with this HP Victus. Teach you how to change the RAM out, how to upgrade the RAM. Let's get into it. I'm gonna be opening up this computer. It is a RTX 2050 with 512 gigabyte solid state drive, and also the Ryzen 5 7th generation, as well as 8 gigabytes of RAM. So I'm gonna be upgrading it to 16 gigs. I got the RAM right here. Ordered that online right there. DDR5 type of RAM exact is 8 gigabytes of DDR5, PC5, 38400, SO-DIMM, 4800 megahertz. So that's the exact one that I got. I will leave the link to it down below in the description, so you guys can follow that and get the RAM that you need for this HP Victus laptop. So before you have your casing off, make sure that the PC is off. Make sure that you turn it off completely so that nothing turns on while you're doing this, and you keep your laptop safe. First step that you need to do is grab your tool and make sure that you have the right screw size to take off the screws that are here. Once you have all the screws out, don't lose them. Should be 7 screws right there. I'm gonna grab the laptop and just pry off or take off the, just be careful. You don't have to do it on a couch like me, but just be careful grabbing it off. Just make sure all the screws are off. I'm gonna grab it from right here. It's a little hard to do it with gloves. Okay, so yeah, so it just pops right off. Pops right off right there. Got the casing. And yeah, this is the casing right there. I'm gonna put this to the side. And then you're gonna have it open. It's gonna look like this. This is the RAM right here. We're gonna be installing this one right here. So DDR2, where it says DDR2. So it's very simple. As you see, you get right into the computer. Since this one is facing up, you're gonna put this one facing down. So this way. You're gonna install it right into here. Slide it straight in. Just be a little careful. And it's gonna pop right in there. Super easy. And to take it out, you just gotta pull them out. So right there, just push it in and it should go straight in. So right there, you see that? And in order to take it out, just pull those little metal levers outwards. And then, yeah, just pop that in. Fits perfectly. And now you have your 16 gigabytes or whatever you wanna install RAM on your computer. So we're ready to go. That's really it. I'm gonna put this casing back on, and we'll have it ready with that 16 gigabytes of RAM installed. There you go. That's how you install extra RAM on your Victus 15.6 laptop. This might work with a 16.1 Victus as well, as they are very similar. And I hope that this video is helpful. If you guys want to use this exact tool that I got, I will link it down below. I'm Lester the Collector. I'll be using this computer to edit videos and to make some more content. So let's go. We got the extra RAM in. Hopefully you guys also were able to successfully install your RAM. Take care, guys. We out of here. Uh-oh. Super hard to find.